Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Celsius into Kelvin. Converting temperatures between Celsius and Kelvin is a straightforward process, essential for many scientific applications. You just need to remember one simple number, 273.15. This constant value is the key to accurately transforming your temperature readings. Let's dive into the details and make this conversion clear and easy to understand for everyone. The Celsius scale, also known as centigrade, is a common temperature unit used in most countries around the world. It's based on the properties of water, with 0 degrees Celsius marking the freezing point and 100 degrees Celsius indicating the boiling point at standard atmospheric pressure. This makes it very intuitive for daily use and understanding weather patterns. The Kelvin scale is unique because it is an absolute temperature scale, meaning it starts at absolute 0. This point, 0 Kelvin, is where all molecular motion theoretically ceases, making it the coldest possible temperature. Unlike Celsius or Fahrenheit, Kelvin does not use degrees. Instead, temperatures are simply expressed in kelvins. It is crucial for many scientific fields, especially in physics and chemistry. Let's put this into practice with a quick example. If you have a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, you simply add 273.15 to it. This gives you a result of 298.15 Kelvin. Remember, the conversion is always an addition of this specific constant. This simple rule ensures accuracy in all your scientific and technical work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.